How to use less data for calls. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use less data for calls on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone, click on it and click on those 3 points up there, and now click on setting. Scroll down and click on data and storage. Now scroll down and click on use less data for calls and choose never mobile data only or Wi-Fi and mobile data. For example, click on Wi-Fi and mobile data. You should know that using less data may improve calls on bad networks, and you choose whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.